Okay, then I'm taking the circle and sketch it. Taking the circle and sketch it. It will be 15 millimeters, and this portion will be also 15 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Then I'm taking it will be 5 millimeters, and direction will be this way. It will be unmerged and thin selected, and it will be 5 millimeters, and direction will be one way. Okay, done. It will be unmerged. Means I'm taking the colors and metals. Double click, select the metal, taking the steel, and polish steel is selected for the wheel. Okay, I'm selecting this color. Okay, done. In similar way, Ctrl 8. I am taking the extruded boss, click on this surface. I'm taking the circle, okay, and sketch it. It will be 15 millimeters. It will be also 15 millimeters. Okay, done. Then similar way, direction will be this way, and everything is okay, I think, and it will be unmerged. Then thin is selected. It will be 5 millimeters. Direction will be this way. Okay, done. Similar way, taking the color, steel is selected, polish steel is select, and taking this color. Okay, done. Then again select it, and I am taking the metal, and I am taking the iron, and I am taking the cast iron, okay, from this body. Okay, done. I am taking this portion. It will be only the hole. I can change this color, and this portion, you are watching it similar way. I'm going here. I'm selecting this by using the control, and select this portion, taking this color. Okay, Control 8 and Control 7. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.